Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. These new renders have sparked a lot of excitement and speculation in the tech community. From design updates to launch dates, there's a lot to unpack. Let's get into the details and see what Samsung has in store for us. Samsung is planning two versions of the Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This dual-release strategy aims to cater to different user preferences and needs. The S25 Plus is expected to offer a balance of performance and affordability, while the S25 Ultra is likely to target high-end users with top-tier features and capabilities. Both versions feature more rounded corners compared to their predecessors. This design tweak not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also improves the ergonomics of the devices, making them more comfortable to hold. Notably, the S25 Ultra has slightly more rounded corners than the S25 Plus, giving it a sleek and modern look that stands out. Leaked renders show significant design updates, including thinner bezels and new color variants. The thinner bezels suggest a more immersive viewing experience, and the new color options add a fresh and vibrant touch to the lineup. These changes are expected to enhance the aesthetic appeal and user experience of the devices, setting them apart from previous models. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to be unveiled on January 22, 2025, in San Jose, California. This launch event promises to be a major highlight in the tech calendar, offering a first look at Samsung's latest innovations. Mark your calendars, as this date promises to bring exciting news and developments from Samsung. In a surprising turn of events, Samsung reportedly fired an employee over leaked hands-on images of the Galaxy S25 Plus. This incident underscores the company's commitment to maintaining secrecy and control over their upcoming products. It also highlights the high level of interest and anticipation surrounding the Galaxy S25 series. Both models are expected to run One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 out of the box. This means users can look forward to the latest software features and enhancements from Samsung, including improved performance, new functionalities, and a more refined user interface. The combination of powerful hardware and the latest software is expected to deliver a seamless and enjoyable user experience. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra are shaping up to be impressive additions to the Galaxy lineup. From sleek design updates and enhanced features to the anticipated launch in January 2025, there's much to look forward to. These leaks and rumors have certainly piqued our interest, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store. Share your thoughts about these leaks in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.